Alright, so on the Terry Fan special, it is a very famous setup, 4 horseman cork. Yeah, I'll switch the, there we go. Did he come off? Oh, it's a dink. It's a dink in the middle. I like the ovals this time of year, but sometimes I switch to those big dumbbell shaped ones in the summer. Just kind of change it up, but the ovals are for sure a lot easier to move artificial. Gives it better action. Sometimes they just want you to troll it. Man, I had that one bite, and then I don't know, it could have been a keeper. They were doing that earlier, like short striking it. See, the temperature's at 60.2. So, a little chilly. I could be, like, I wouldn't argue with like 5 more degrees. Give them a little bit, I'm a little lethargic. I mean, who wouldn't be? See, I like to go over here. There's some redfish in there usually, but I don't know, it looks pretty low. I don't know. Do I really want to do that to myself? We tried to go to Elmer Island today. That was the original plan. But, I guess Wildlife and Fisheries forgot their own grand opening, and the gate was closed. So, I come back launched, and I go on the long way to check it out. Just out of curiosity. It's been a long time. Wasn't expecting much. Still not, well, I mean, hey. Caught a few fish, and it's only 7, not even 7:10. So, oh yeah, we can starting to see the water clarity's not terrible. Where they're stacking. Where you at? Troutsies. Oh yeah, there it is. Go. What? They're just, they hit different down here in Grand Isle, man. Just like relentless. Oh, it's not even a huge fish. Stuck damn right at my hand. Yeah, they're just, oh, he's grunting me. Oh, let me see. You don't want to waste time here. When you find them, you better throw it back out there as fast as possible, because they could be at school, you just don't know. Alrighty, had some technical difficulties, back in business, caught up, I think I'm on 4. I know, I'm gonna get this GoPro thing figured out eventually. Alright, I changed a rod and a bait. See if it's a little bit more visible. I don't know. Everybody has their comfort zone or what they like to throw. I feel redeemed. There's another one too. There was one in there. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Now I don't feel like I jack leg. There's definitely another one at that point too, but I'll take it. I wasn't standing up, I just sat down. Ridiculous. Spooked the hell out of him. I'm gonna let you go. Come down. You a beauty though. Grand Isle, baby. Awesome. Alright, got you ready. They'll get bigger. I finally made it back. Lauren was very impatient, but we're gonna go clean some fish right now.
These fish that have been caught today, these trout. We have 2 different kinds of fish fry we're going to use. We're going to try this. This is the New Orleans style. And then we also have the beer batter. Alright, so we're going to get started. Oh, we need scissors. I didn't get that.
What?
That was the only thing I didn't get. Alright, so for the New Orleans style seafood one, we're doing we're going to add the egg and we're going to do the milk, even though it doesn't call for that. The other ones for the Zatarain's brand always do, and it tastes delicious. So, can't crack it out the plastic. Alright, so it is, for every 1 egg you do a half a cup of milk. Okay, can you open those fish fries? Alright, so I've got the half a cup of milk for 1 egg. We don't have a lot of fish, so we're just doing like, and especially because we're doing 2 different kinds, we don't need that much. So. It just helps make like a nice thicker batter. I wanted to do it in this outdoor kitchen, and I told them we should do it inside because there wasn't enough room.
Plenty of room. And you don't make a mess.
Oh, you didn't know if
Well, I'm trying there. You're walking me up.
I guess we'll just do this one first, and then we'll do the next one. Because I don't have room to do both at the same time. This is the beer batter one. I got this one first. That we're doing the New Orleans style first.
Well, don't wear it.
Huh?
I thought you were squirting all over.
No. Okay. Alright, you got the fish?
The fish is over here. Speckled trout.
You're rinsing them off, and then we put them in the milk and egg mixture first, and then we dip it in the fish fry. All right, when he cooks those, I'm gonna get the second batter ready. whole thing of this. I don't have any.
You know what?
I don't have any room. Where am I supposed to put it? Alright, so it says we use this whole bag and then it's 1 cup of beer. 1 cup of beer, and we're going to use this Light Sky Blue Moon. I don't have any. Beers, I guess. I don't know. It seemed a little thick. Alright, so now we're gonna try these out and see which one we like better. Alright. Oh, they're really hot. Ah! Hot, hot, hot. Alright, this one is the beer battered. You gonna eat any?
I was waiting for your results.
Okay. I really like that one. It has a good flavor. It's fluffy.
Wow. I guess the beer batter is a lot better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, you said you were like, when you were cooking it, he's like, I'm never going to make this again. They were all sticking together.
Yeah, it didn't work like normal fish fry.
I think I almost like the beer batter better, to be honest. It was really good. I mean, the New Orleans one is delicious. It's very classic Southern New Orleans. Crispy, has a good flavor, very that lemon touch to it.
Oh, it does have, the New Orleans has lemon in it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it said it had lemon in it. It's good. It's good. The beer battered is definitely more like
English,
yeah, like
chips.
fish and chips for sure, but good, really tasty.
Yeah, the New Orleans one has some spice on it.
Yeah, it just a little bit kick to it. It's not as spicy. We've had like the lemon pepper one before, and that one's really spicy. But and we fried up some green beans, and oh my god, we did it in the beer batter. They are so delicious. I highly recommend. All I did just used fresh green beans and put it right in the beer batter mix and fried them up, and they are so good.
Green pepper.
So, I don't think you could go wrong with either, but I would go with the beer batter personally.
I think this was a mix it up.
But
go back and forth.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like video, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.